Don't get your musty digits off my back. Did you forget who I am? How dare you place them upon me?
Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Thursday, June 2nd. And in today's video, I have one play for you. And before I go into the play, let me just delve into yesterday's recap of the markets. The Dow closed down 0.54% yesterday, sitting at 32,813, the Dow. The NASDAQ, they closed down 0.72%. The NASDAQ is sitting at 11,994. Apple closed down 0.09%. Apple is sitting at $148.71. Apple. There were no triple-digit runners yesterday. Let's jump right into it. Dave's play today is a SP play, in and out, grab and go, one and move. Shout out to Dude69 for commenting on this one yesterday early. MF is up 32% at 32 cents after spiking up 51% at 24 cents yesterday. The high of the day thus far in the pre-markets for MF is 37 cents. If this one retracts below 25 cents today, this might be a no-go. There's no news out, but I suspect bottom fishing. The stock made a new 52-week low yesterday of 15 cents. This one is in the grocery store space, headquarters out of China, okay? And you already know the Chinese company has a propensity to spike for days. Let's see what happens if this could make a second day run. Let's see what happens. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 56 million. They have 111 million in the float. 1% of the float are held by insiders. 3% of the float are held by institution and shorts as 1% of the float. Their revenue is 7.2 billion with a B. Their revenue per share is 49.88. This is MF, Dave's play today. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 47% year over year. Their gross profit is 1.19 billion. Let that sink in. Let me say that one more time. Their gross profit is 1.19 billion. This is MF. They have a total cash of 2.3 billion and a total debt of 1.44 billion. Their current ratio is sitting below par, just a little below par, 0.96 MF. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at @ThePetite for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. That's all I have. I'll see you on the next one. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bum. Make your next trade your best trade.
Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You will get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is 1 penny. Trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only, the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse. Welcome back to Dave Newell's channel. Don't forget to hit that like. Please subscribe and share.
To listen to their words. One evening he did hear the ox bemoaning to the ass the hardness of his lot. I do labor pulling the plow from morning until night, no matter how hot the day or how tired my legs, or how the bow doth chafe my neck, still must I work. But you are a creature of leisure. You are trapped with a colorful blanket and do nothing more than carry our master about where he wishes to go. When he goes nowhere, you do rest in the green grass all the day. Now the ass, in spite of his vicious heels, was a friendly fellow and sympathized with the ox. My good friend, he replied, you do work very hard and I would not ease your lot. Therefore, will I tell you how you may have a day of rest. In the morning, when the slave comes to fetch you to the plow, lie upon the ground and bellow much, that he may say you are sick and cannot work. So the ox took the advice of the ass, and the next morning the slave returned to the farmer and told him the ox was sick and could not pull the plow. Then, said the farmer, hitch the ass to the plow, for the plowing must go on. All that day, the ass, who had only intended to help his friend, found himself compelled to do the ox's task. When night came and he was released from the plow, his heart was bitter, and his legs were weary, and his neck was sore where the bow had chafed it. The farmer lingered in the barnyard to listen. The ox began first. You are my good friend. Because of your wise advice, I have enjoyed a day of rest. And I, retorted the ass, am like many another simple-hearted one who starts to help a friend and ends up by doing his task for him. Hereafter you draw your own plow, for I did hear the master tell the slave to the butcher, were you sick again? I wish he would, for you are a lazy fellow. Thereafter they spoke to each other no more. This ended their friendship. Canst thou tell the moral to this tale, Rodin? 'Tis a good tale, responded Rodin, but I see not the moral. I thought not that you would, but it is there, and simple too. Just this. If you desire to help thy friend, do so in a way that will not bring thy friend's burdens upon thyself. I had not thought of that. It is a wise word. I wish not to assume the burdens of my sister's husband. But tell me, you lend to many. Do not the borrowers repay? Mathon smiled the smile of one whose soul is rich with much experience. Could a loan be well made if the borrower cannot repay? Must not the lender be wise and judge carefully whether his gold can perform a useful purpose to the borrower and return to him once more? Or whether it will be wasted by one unable to use it wisely and leave him without his treasure, and leave the borrower with a debt he cannot repay? I will show to thee the tokens in my token chest, and let them tell thee some of their stories. Into the room he brought a chest as long as his arm, covered with red pigskin and ornamented with bronze designs.
All right, thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.